Good morning. After telling you about the rules of image formation by spherical mirror, today I am going to tell you image formation by concave mirror. See this is the concave mirror, and see here these two are the endpoints M1, M2, pole, focus, center of curvature, and this is infinity. Although infinity is not clear, right? But you may take it here at infinity. So an object can be kept. An object can be kept before a concave mirror on its principal axis in 6 different conditions, that is position, now see here these conditions or positions, what may be? An object may be kept at infinity. An object may be kept at infinity. This is, let object A be, that is, it is in the form of a pin, suppose. And second, this object can be kept between infinity and center of curvature. Infinity and center of curvature. Third condition, at the center of curvature. At the center of curvature. And fourth condition, that is first, second, third, and here fourth condition, between center of curvature and focus. And fifth condition, at the focus. And sixth condition, between focus and pole. Between focus and pole. These are 6 different positions where an object can be kept before a concave mirror. So, see, the positions are given below. First, when an object is kept at infinity, in this condition, image is formed at focus or focal plane. Object AB, this is infinity. That is, the rays of light coming from infinity. If an object is kept at infinity, the rays of light coming or incidenting on the mirror surface are parallel to one another. You may be considered that they are parallel to the principal axis. Actually, when a ray of light comes from infinity, that is in diagram or ray diagram, it is shown by dotted line up to somewhat part and the remaining complete line. See, this is point O and this is point D. What will happen? This is center of curvature, focus. So see here, it will passage through focus, and here also through focus after reflection. That is, here the reflected ray incident at focus or in focal plane. So image is formed at focus. This image is real, inverted and highly diminished. In this condition, image is formed at focus this image is real, inverted and highly diminished. Right? So this is case first. Second, when object is kept between infinity and center of curvature. What will happen? This is infinity and center of curvature. Object is kept here. Object AB. What will happen? From point B, here you see point A is on the principal axis, point A of the object AB, and that is from point B, that is we take two rays which incident on the reflecting surface of mirror. One is parallel to principal axis and another one passes through focus. Although you may take some more point here, that is center of curvature, focus or pole or any point here, but for the sake of simplicity we consider here another ray passes or strike on the mirror surface through focus. What will happen? The ray which is parallel to principal axis, the incidenting ray parallel to the principal axis, passes through focus after reflection. Whereas the ray which incident on the mirror surface while passing through focus becomes parallel to principal axis. So in this way they incident at point B dash. Let's consider it is point B dash. Now that is we draw the image A dash B dash. A dash B dash is the image of the object. So here you see image is formed between center of curvature and focus. In this condition, image is formed between C and F. That is center of curvature and focus. this image is real, inverted and shorter than object. Case second, right? Case second. Third, when object is kept at center of curvature. Center of curvature. What happens? In this condition, say, let this is center of curvature C and this is focus F. One thing is more important here, that is this is the center of curvature, so this is CP, it means radius of curvature, and your focus should be just half of the radius of curvature. That is, here you have to take an F in such a way that FP equal to CF. Although it is not necessary to measure with your scale and but apparently it should be equal. That is, it should be equal. So here point ray and object AB is kept here. So what will happen? Two rays, one parallel to principal axis and another passes through focus. What happens after reflection? After reflection, the incident at point B dash, and now draw a perpendicular from point B dash on the principal axis. So here A dash B dash is the image. You see here, image is formed at the center of curvature. In this condition, image is formed at C. This image is real, inverted and of equal size to the object. That is, here size of image is equal to size of object. So in figure, AB must be equal to A dash B dash, right? Case third. Case fourth, when object is kept between C and F. C means center of curvature and F means focus. See here, this is center of curvature and this one is focus F. Object is kept here, AB. What will happen? Two rays. We take from point B two rays, one parallel to principal axis and another through focus, incident on the mirror surface through focus. What will happen? This reflected ray from here intersect focus, passes through focus, and another one, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. right? In this way, that is this is point B dash. Now draw a perpendicular from point B dash on the principal axis. This is A dash B dash. So A dash B dash is the image, right? Now you can say that this image is formed. This image is formed between infinity and center of curvature, or you may say beyond the center of curvature. In this condition, image is formed between infinity and center of curvature. This image is real, inverted and larger than object, right? Case 4. Case 4. Now two remaining conditions. See, case 5th. When object is kept between at focus F. In this condition, image is formed at infinity. This image is real, inverted and highly enlarged. Here these two rays are parallel to each other, and it is supposed that they will intersect at infinity. Intersect at infinity. Right? And here last one. Is fifth. And last, sixth, when object is kept between F and pole P. In this condition, image is formed just behind the mirror, this image is virtual, erect and enlarged or magnified, right? So see them. A, B. What will happen? This is incident ray and it will pass it through focus after reflection. And another ray in the direction of center of curvature, incident here, and it get reflected on increasing in backward direction. They appear to arise from a point this is A dash, B dash. So image is formed just behind the reflecting surface of mirror. This image is virtual, erect and highly enlarged. So these are the 6 different conditions in which object, that image of object is formed at 6 different places. Right? Thank you.